Keep the speed steady.
Bin 6 is almost full. Prepare for the switch.
Tractor 3 moving into position now. Next pallet, please. Ready inside. Check the manifest on truck 3. Coming up.
Gate 3 clear, proceed. Security, lane 4 is pending. Checkpoint clear, trucks moving.
Keep it moving. Clear the chute. Check the flow on that second truck.
Weight 12.45 kilograms confirmed.
Checking the batch ID.
Status is weighed. Moving to the next item.
Keep an eye on the level in silo 3. Looks steady, no issues here. Silo 2 is nearing capacity. Line 3 needs adjustment. Okay, I'm increasing the flow to bin 5. Monitor the sensors. Looks steady now.
The rotation speed needs to increase slightly.
Agreed. Adjusting it now.
That's better. Making a note.
The readings are looking excellent.
Confirmation.
Confirmation. The water is cycling perfectly. Increase the airflow to 5. Done. They're coming out perfectly now. Good work. The yield is stable. Let's increase the flow rate slightly to test the threshold. Adjusting parameters now. The spacing is perfect. Let's ramp up the overall speed now.
The flow looks good now. Regulate the intervals to 3 seconds.
Understood. 3-second intervals confirmed. Monitoring levels. Pressure looks good. Steady flow, no interruptions. Preparing for the next stage.
Check the viscosity reading on tank 3. It's holding steady at 20 degrees Celsius. Adjusting the paddle speed now.
The temperature is critical. Increase the coolant flow.
It's stabilizing now. Keep monitoring the pressure.
We're approaching the blending section.
Flow rate is perfectly steady.
Confirmed. The transition is seamless.
All systems nominal. Initiating transfer sequence now. Copy that. Monitoring flow.
Flow rate looks steady. Yeah. System is perfectly synchronized, no interruptions. Affirmative. Maintaining pressure.
Dosing for tank 3 is complete. Initiating blend cycle 2. Starting tank 4 sequence. The mix looks smooth.
The viscosity is good. Bump the RPMs up to 2500. Confirm. Increasing speed now. The flow is stabilizing at optimum levels. Excellent. Maintain current parameters.
the pressure steady, running at 150 bar.
Checked. The texture is perfect.
Levels are stable and sensors show perfect balance. Excellent. Initiating the next phase of packaging now.
The temperature is holding steady at 95 degrees. We're on schedule for the batch, no issues. The temperature is stabilizing nicely. Flow rate looks perfect, systems are green. Line 4 pressure is stable. Monitoring flow rate, ready for filling. Proceed with operation.
The temperature is holding steady at 288 degrees. Good.
Let's keep the line speed at 11 meters squared.
Scan complete, no defects. Confirmed, system operating perfectly.
Did you see that slight wobble on the last batch?
Yes, but these are stabilizing well now.
Sanitation levels are optimal. Continue the high pressure spray. Noted, all clear.
The alignment is perfect. Maintaining the flow as expected. Check the next station's throughput.
The flow rate is precise. Excellent work. Perfect timing on the line.
Line speed is steady. Quality checks holding green. Perfect alignment.
Keep them moving. Check the caps tight. Labels straight. Next one. Watch the fill level. Ensure the tension on the guides is even. Looks perfect now, they're grouping smoothly.
System check complete. All sensors reporting green. Optimal speed and print quality confirmed.
Keep an eye on the temperature, it needs to stay at 190. The packs are looking good, ready for boxing.
The system's running smoothly. We just need to increase the speed by about 5%.
Agreed. I'm adjusting the throughput now.
The stacking sequence is running perfectly. Excellent work. Looks like we're ahead of schedule.
Pallet 1 verified. Checking pallet 2. Data confirmed. Good to go.
The system shows optimal efficiency.
Confirmed. All deliveries on schedule.
Pallet secured in slot B3.
Confirmed. System cycling for next pick.
The system shows aisle 12 is clear for processing.
Excellent, that puts us back on schedule.
Verified. The new shipment is en route.
Pallet secured on robot B.
Verified order 173. Moving to staging.
Initiating next pick.
Line it up, steady now. Clear on the left. Next one is pallet 11. Pallet 1 in. Confirm placement. Secure it. Good, next one ready. Doors closing. You're clear to leave.
Keep them flowing.
Next pallet is ready.
Scanning complete.
Loaded on.
That's it. Next item, please.